All right, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am excited for today's topic. It is an annual holiday campaign in KvCORE. Now, I'm not going to go super into detail on my strategies on why I do holidays, but in a nutshell, every team and agent that I work with across the country, I'm a firm believer in routine, especially routine touches that you could be doing in your database. And a newsletter and a holiday is some of the easiest, lowest unsubscribe type touches you can be doing. And if that's the case, I like doing one newsletter a month and one holiday. It's very simple to do. I can easily schedule a newsletter 12 times a year. Now the holiday, I used to get annoyed. I had to schedule the holiday. I'd schedule the newsletter and the holiday. It didn't take much time, but it was just annoying. Well, today, what I'm going to show you, you can have an annual holiday campaign that's going to go out on the specific date of that holiday every single year for as long as you're using KvCORE. And it works for every person that you put in KvCORE, whether it's a new lead, whether it's a past client you added, whether it's someone from your phone that you imported, any person that you put in your KvCORE, and those of you who are here today that are going to get the campaign code, anyone in your KvCORE after this date, February 1st of 2023, they're all going to be on this annual holiday campaign. Now, really quick, before I show you it, let's just kind of look at campaigns in KvCORE. There's certain ways to trigger them. I just told you with this annual holiday campaign, you could have every new lead, leads that are generated. You could have past clients that you manually add, your phone imports, you name it. You could have all of them automatically on a holiday campaign that you don't need to schedule every month or every year. It just does it itself. And that's because it's a trigger. Now look at these triggers. You can do it when the lead is new, maybe whenever the contact is transferred, maybe whenever the lead has a specific hashtag, you can trigger a campaign. I could keep going on, even into the advanced triggers. There's a lot of ways to trigger, but guess what? There's also a specific date. If you can trigger a campaign by a specific date, guess what? You can trigger specific emails and even text messages if you wanted. We're not going to be doing text today, but you can have specific emails and texts go out maybe on a specific date, right? Annual holiday campaign. Right off the bat, look at the trigger. What this means, do not overthink it. All I'm saying is any lead that you put in your KvCORE or that's in your KvCORE after this date is going to be on this campaign. And I'll say that again. Any new lead that comes in, any lead that you manually add, or any lead who's already in here, any of that, if it's after this date, February 1st of 2023, this is automatically going to trigger. You don't even need to put them on it. I'm going to go over a little bit more of that after I show you this campaign, what I mean, how they're automatically on it. But let's take a peek at this. Right at the top, the campaign runs annually. So the stuff I'm going to show you, like the very first email that goes out on February 14th for Valentine's, I know it says 2023 right here. Ignore that. This is going to go out every year. As long as you have a KvCORE, you got people in your KvCORE and it's turned on. Just ignore the year. It's going to go out on Valentine's on February 14th of every year. Now let's look at this. All the emails I'm about to show you are the same. Besides, of course, the Canva graphic. But in a nutshell, if I'm trying to do one newsletter a month and one holiday a month, 24 for the whole year on everyone in my database, past clients, new leads, current, you name it. Well, this holiday doesn't need to be overthought. So the one I'm giving you, I'll show how you can edit it here in a second. But all the emails are going to be just like this. You're going to have your banner at the top, which is EXP. Agent full name. This will pull your name. Agent cell phone. This is going to pull your office or smart number with KvCORE. Let's get down to the graphic. Valentine's, right? Guys, it's not too hard to just, even if you have a free account with Canva, can't I just hop on in and just, real estate agent. Valentine's. Maybe I'll just put Valentine's. Grab one of these and just put from your realtor, right? Instead of that, Happy Valentine's from your realtor, change it up. Maybe I throw my logo on it. Do what you want. Or just leave it like this. Happy Valentine's from your realtor. Those of you who are getting the free one today, you can just leave this if you like it. Now, as you scroll down, this is all set up to go to your website. You have to understand, when you have a KvCORE, you have a website. I set this up to go to your website, and it's going to your home evaluation of it if they click on it. The buying, same deal. This is going to go to your website, but not the home evaluation. It's going to go to your search of all the active listings. This just takes them to the main place. If you've updated your social media in KvCORE, then this will go to your Facebook and your signature. So those of you who are getting the code today and you're getting this campaign, note, every single email is going to be the exact same besides the holiday and the picture. So the banner is going to be the same. Your name and number is going to be the same. This is always going to take them to your home evaluation. You don't even need to edit it. Same with the buying. Same with this, blah, blah, blah. Okay, the subject line. If you wanted to change it up, change it up. I'm just going to say the first name, whatever that is in KvCORE for that contact. So if I had Brandon in there, it would say Brandon, Happy Valentine's Day. Now on the right-hand side, when is this going out? Remember, I can choose when emails and texts go out on a specific date. Valentine's is on February 14th. Again, ignore the year. This is going to go out every single year on February 14th. Let's look at the next thing that's actually coming up. March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. Again, ignore the year. This is going to run annually. Let's see what this one looks like. Subject line is pretty much the exact same. We were just saying St. Patrick's Day. Banner the same, name, number. That is different. The Canva graphic, same thing. Can I come over here? Just type in St. Patty's. Takes them to your home evaluation. Takes them to the search of your active listings, to your main site, to the website, blah, blah, blah. Same thing. Check it out, Easter. Got it to set it go out on Easter. Everything's the same besides the Canva graphic. You guys are probably seeing where I'm going. I'm not about to do this 12 times. I have one for every single month. That's one touch on every person in my database just for my holidays. And the beauty of it, the one you're getting today, like I just said, if you turn it on, once you copy and paste the code in, I'll show you how to do that. But once you turn it on, everyone's going to be on it. You don't need to schedule your holidays anymore. And I'm not telling you to do the ones you see in front of you. I'm telling you to at least go by a strategy of one a month. That's not asking too much for 12 holidays a year. So if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving or Merry Christmas or Happy New Year, whatever it is, you want to do a different holiday, just pick one. Pick National Donut Day or National Love Your Dog Day. There is so many freaking ideas you can come up with just to have a touch. It's the touch I care about. Right? So what if I went into care? I'm just kind of freewigging this. Let's see if I can put in like National Dog Day. Okay. What if I went like National Dog Day? What if I have a dog? What if I'm a dog lover, right? And a lot of my clients, I know they love their dogs. So let's find out when it is. It looks like February, so I've been Valentine's. National Dog Day. When is it? So check that out, August 26th. I would look a little more into it and just make sure it's on August 26th of every year. But you don't have to do a mainstream holiday, right? Whatever I'm doing in August, which is actually Hello Summer, not really much going on, not a bad idea. Funny that I said that. I could actually put the National Dog Day right here. Now, how do you edit these? You see edit advanced template? When I click that, it's going to pop open these templates. You can play around with changing some of the preset stuff that we did. You know, if you have your own logo and you don't want to use the EXP, maybe hit change image, right? You can upload your own logo or banner. If you don't like this, you can change it. But at the end of the day, honestly, I'm telling you guys, it's set up perfect. Maybe change the banner or logo, but definitely if you want to switch up the holiday or what you're doing, change out the graphic. So super simple to do that. Let me just take, oh, it says February. I'll take, that's dog rescue. Dog rescue day. It looks like a lot of these. National Pet Day. I'll take this one. Use your imagination. Just pretend with me, right, that I fix all this up. Maybe I even put my own pet on it. I might even put my logo on it. I'll put August right here. Let's say I did all that. And Benny, don't worry. Everything you are watching is being recorded. It's going to be on our YouTube channel Monday, and we'll be dropping the links at the end, okay, in Zoom chat. So you guys will have everything. All right, check it out. I'm downloading it. Let's hop back into KvCORE. So if I don't want to do this for August, hello summer, and I want to do National Dog or Pet Day, change image. Let's hit upload. My recent download, boom, click it. It's going to pop up right here. All right, let's insert it. And there we go. If I wanted to add a little something, if I wanted to write and add to my holiday stuff, I could add a text block, right? But I'm telling y'all, don't overthink this, man. This is a simple touch. It's an email touch. Emails fluff. They get tons of emails, but I can't go digging into databases to show you people who've been getting stuff like this, one newsletter, one holiday every month for like the last 2 to 3 years that I work with. And you would just be surprised, those 24 touches, how many times people open it, they see it. And that's just those 24 routine touches, not your appreciation, your client appreciation you should be doing or anything random outside of that you're hitting your past clients with. But I mean, it's routine. Okay, hopefully this is making a little sense, right? How to edit one of the emails. If you don't want to go with one of the holidays that I'm showing you once a month, maybe just switch it out. Not hard to just Google a few things. Now, I'm going to save the template. I'm going to change my subject line too, happy and hello summer. So maybe Brandon, happy National Pet Day. It says save over your current template. What I tell everyone, click this and then unclick it and rename it. So you're not having the summer template that you made a new template. It's the dog one. So it's our pet one, Pet Day. And change the date because this was set for hello summer, which is just right, the August 1st. Let's find out when National Dog Day. It was August 26th. Let's go back to KvCORE. And we'll set it for the 26th. That's the only difference. And I could change the name. People really don't see this. This is more of you seeing it. But to keep stuff organized, let's definitely do it. Pet Day. Save changes. Perfect. So now that I saved it, you can see it just falls into my campaign. The one that you guys are going to get, or even if you set your own holiday campaign up, and maybe you wanted to change one of the months, that's all you have to do. Go in there, edit it, edit the template. Once you edit the template, change a few things like the date that it's going out, obviously, because it's probably a different holiday you're doing. Change the name of it, change the subject line, and then save it. That's all you got to do.